So my friend messaged me saying that he liked my tortilla holder. Vertical tortilla holder. Nice. So I replied, "Do you have a hot glue gun? You should make one." Lol. To which he replied, "No glue gun yet. Maybe I'll own one someday." So I figured I'd make him one, but like a nice one, out of wood.
Well, there we go. I think these came out really nice. Definitely a drastic visual upgrade to the foam core one. But of course, it doesn't matter how good it looks if it doesn't actually function. So yeah, it works just fine, just as good as the foam core one. Looks really nice, really simple, easy to make design. I really like the hardwood strip basically holding the two pieces of paneling together. I do think it is a bit thick though. Probably could have resawed or planed it down maybe to about 1/2 inch versus the 3/4 inch, but definitely gets the job done, makes it nice and sturdy. And of course, getting the job done, the foam core one will get the job done just fine. Just some foam core or cardboard and hot glue, a few minutes, and you have all you really need. And actually, I think my foam core design might have a bit of a leg up over the wooden ones, at least in the functionality department. I think the slightly larger size combined with the less aggressive curve makes it work just a little bit better. There's just a little bit more material holding on to the tortillas, and I definitely prefer that, but the wood ones work just fine. The tortillas certainly aren't going anywhere, but if I was to make them again, I would definitely include those changes. But overall, I think they look great, they work great. I'm actually really happy with the T in the heart. I think that's a really funny detail. It's not something I would have chosen to do. I would have just done a plain circle or something, but since I didn't want to fire up the laser and I found those in the scrap bin, I just threw them on there. I think it really looks good. I think it finishes it off. So I'm definitely happy I made myself one. It's usually super easy to just make 2 or 3 when you're making one of something. So I like mine. I hope my buddy likes his. But my sincere thank you for watching. Once again, I am Nick D. Clements. If you're wondering, Nick is short for Nicholas, and the D stands for diglyceride. Anyway, I'm off to make something else.